डी जी ISPR लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल अहमद शरीफ का कहना है कि भारत खित्ते और बिलखुसूस पाकिस्तान में दहशतगर्दी की सरपरस्ती कर रहा है। 9 और 10 मई की रात भी अलगार की कोशिश की गई, जिसका पाक अफवाज ने मुनासिब, मुनसिफाना और मुतवाज़िन जवाब दिया। भारत को खुद ही जंग बंदी की दरख्वास्त करना पड़ी। DG ISPR लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल अहमद शरीफ ने रूसी मीडिया को इंटरव्यू देते हुए सवाल उठाया कि भारतीय तर्जमान खारजा ने 2 दिन पहले तस्लीम किया कि पहलगाम वाक़े की तफ्तीश अभी जारी है। तहकीक के बगैर इल्ज़ामात और जंग छेड़ना कहाँ की दानिशमंदी है?
Is sponsoring terrorism, abetting terrorism in this region, especially in Pakistan. It's abetting terrorism, and instead of acknowledging that and dealing with that, it is hiding behind this fake narrative of terrorism. So that is the genesis of the problem. So you have a Pahalgam incident, instead of providing any evidence, because whatever evidence we have seen so far, that is so flimsy that how soon, within minutes, the fingers were started raising on Pakistan. Within 10 minutes, a first investigation report is registered in which it is established that the attackers came from across the border. Within minutes, their social media and media starts pointing fingers at Pakistan. And the fact of the matter is that 2 days ago, their foreign ministry spokesperson was asked on the progress that who are the perpetrators, and he is on record to say that the investigation is still continuing. That is the fact, that without having any evidence, and while the Pakistan is saying, the government of Pakistan came out very clear that if there is any evidence that you think is there that links it to Pakistan, you please provide it to any neutral body, to any credible, transparent body, and we are ready to work with it. And they attacked mosques, they bombed mosques with their missiles, they killed children, women, elderly. There are 40 shaheeds, 40 civilian shaheeds, 22 of them are women and children. Defended ourselves on night of 6th and 7th. The Indians attacked. After they have attacked and released their weapons, only then a very professional Air Force, they struck down 5 of their aircrafts who were engaged in that horrendous, ghastly attack on the civilians. We took down their drones that they sent, the swarm drones that they sent, in dozens and dozens. The last count that we had was 84, but the number is much more because many civilians have also taken war trophies of these drones. And we saw that then the Ministry of Defence spokesperson came, the Indian Ministry of Defence spokesperson came and asked and requested for de-escalation. So we, being who love peace, who love stability, we said why not? And the interlocutors and the international players also, after we have given the just retribution on their request and their intervention, so the ceasefire is now in place.